Alright everyone, breaking news. CALHFA is releasing a program, a down payment assistance program coming up Monday, March 27th. What this is you as a home buyer will get 20% down payment on the home you buy. Let's break it down. 20% on a $500,000 home is $100,000. Now what's the catch if you go to sell that home, let's say 5 years down the road, and you've gained some equity? Let's say you sell it for $640,000. Well, now you're going to pay back the original $100,000, and CALHFA is going to take a 20% equity share on the equity that you gain on the home. So in this example, $28,000 will go to CALHFA for giving you the down payment assistance up front. This could be the right program to get you into that home that you've been searching for. So act soon. Follow for more tips like this. Peace out.